what's happening. So, today I'd love to discuss just a handful of trends, right? So let's dig into maybe two or three trends that are or shifts that you're seeing in the market. What are you seeing happen in the market space right now, in the storage space right now in the market?
Yeah, great. I'm excited to talk about it. I love talking about this stuff. As you can imagine, I spend a lot of time with clients across a lot of different industries, uh, and there's a lot of big trends happening. I think when I have a conversation with a client, it's usually on two different aspects. It's one, how do I manage or modernize the operations of my existing infrastructure? People realize that when it comes to storage, we have to put a lot of investment into it. It requires a lot of skills. You have to ensure that your storage is always available. When you think about a server failing, usually your application just fails over to the next server and nobody even knows. But if the storage fails, if something happens to the storage, all your applications go down, depending on how you're set up. So it's really important you get it right. And I started my career 20 years ago in storage, writing microcode and on block storage devices, primary storage arrays. And I got to say, the way they were managed then is pretty much the same way they're managed now. And it's complicated and it takes some serious expertise. And so that's where we're pushing a lot of innovation. How do we make that much, much easier to manage primary storage? How do I get, as applications grow, ensure that I can maintain performance? As I have new applications that need to be deployed, how do I know which array to put it on? As the arrays start to age, how do I know where to place, or how do I go through the whole tech refresh process in a more efficient manner? So there's a lot to be done there and a lot of what we're working on.